Hi, my name is Rosemary Charnley, and I'm a solutions engineer at SmartBear. Today, we'll be talking about the role of error models in agent-safe API design. The goal of this demonstration is to learn how to define consistent, machine-friendly error responses during API design in Swagger Studio, so clients, including agents, can reliably interpret failures. API consumers, whether humans or agents, rely on status codes and structured error responses to understand what went wrong. A poorly documented or inconsistent error model leads to guessing or brittle clients. OpenAPI encourages explicit responses with HTTP status codes like 400, 404, 500, which can be seen here. Under responses, error messages can be defined in OpenAPI specifications. For reusability, references can be used to create standard formats. Under components and schemas, you can see we created an error response schema with fields like error, message, details. For each error status, you should have a description and a response body schema. Agents use this to extract a meaning. Example, machine-readable error codes, user messages, etc. Now that we define reusable components, it's quite easy to add additional errors. For example, we can go ahead and add a 403. Under our responses, we'll go ahead and add our 403 response. Under responses, we'll add more details, and we'll go ahead and we'll use that error response schema. Now we have our forbidden error reusing the error response schema that we have defined here. Clear, typed error models reduce ambiguity. This is crucial for agent safety, automated tooling, and clients that need to act on specific failure modes. Inconsistent codes and schemas make automation possible. The outcome of clear, repeatable error models is viewers learn how to centrally define error instructions in Swagger Studio and why these matter, specifically for programmatic and agent clients.